welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, if you're a new subscriber, or just trying to figure out if you should subscribe, girl, do you see this? Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. I'm at 300 subscribers. My channel has had 800 views thus far. So yeah, I'm glad to see that y'all are rocking with me, rocking with the tutorials. So keep on rocking, and I got something in store for y'all. So this tutorial is a twist out, but it has a twist on it. But it's a really easy style that you can use for adults, kids. I love it. It's a really low maintenance. It's really easy. So let's get into this tutorial. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all a little insight on what a wash day looks like for me. I have this condition that my dermatologist said I have and it's called Seborrheic Dermatitis. It looks like dandruff. I believe it's when extra yeast grows in oily places or something. I don't know. But for me, everyone is different. But in my case, I get it around my hairline, which you can kind of see. I get it like sometimes right here by my ears. I get it sometimes right here by my nose. And then I also get it sometimes right here by my eyebrows. But for the most part, my face, I haven't really gotten it on my face in a long time, except for when I was first diagnosed with it. But I really get it. Let me see if you all can see it around the perimeter of my hair. And then this little scar that I have, it's from that. So I'm going to try the famous, the notorious on YouTube, the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. For my scalp, because the world is shut down, I can't go to the dermatologist to get the medicated shampoo that I need. So we're gonna be rocking with this today. So finally, I like the way that the texture looks. And so I'm gonna begin to apply it. I'm gonna apply it with the fork. Just get my scalp real quick, and then I'm gonna apply it. Like, I'm not really a fan of how this feels on me. I completely forgot to add my aloe plant. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so I got it all over. I'm gonna put some right here. All right, so I'm done. Gonna put my hair up into a ponytail and let this mask stay for probably gonna do 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 8 minutes, but like my face can no longer take it anymore. Like I can't take it no more. So I'm about to wash it off. This is the end result of the hair mask on dry hair. My hair really feels clean. This is the cleanest it's ever felt. Ever. Also, I did not shampoo or condition. I just washed it out to come and show you all the actual end result of just the hair mask. So let's get started with this tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to section off my hair. Okay, so after you section off your hair in the back, you're going to grab whatever leave-in conditioner you want. I'm using the conditioner from my last video. Then I'm going to detangle. After I detangle it, I'm gonna take the section that I'm gonna twist. Then I'm gonna come in with my Aunt Jackie Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. And put it on that section. Then I'm gonna twist. Then I'm gonna twist it around my finger. Purple rod. Tuck it. And then I'm gonna wrap up like that. I'm going to put the front up into a half up, half down because that's the style that I'm going to wear. Okay, so for the front part, I'm just going to detangle it. Okay, so you can still see my seborrheic dermatitis. So the Aztec clay on dry hair did not help my skin condition at all. So after I detangle and moisturize, I'm gonna go through with the Eco Styler Argan Oil to form my ponytail. Okay, so I had to pause the video and take care of my seborrheic dermatitis because I was having a really bad flare up in this area over here, but I got it calmed down. So yeah, I know I forgot to address this from my first video, and I know that when I started to do my ponytail and you all didn't see me leave out any baby, I know y'all was like, she don't have no baby hair. What is she doing with no baby hair? Fun fact about me, I hate baby hair. I hate baby hair. It don't matter what the style is. I don't have no baby hair, so I'm not gonna force no baby hair. Now I'm gonna let it dry, come back and show you the end results. I'm back. I let my twist dry for 2 days, and I'm starting to realize that I did not completely wash that Aztec clay mask out of my hair. So I don't really know how this is about to go, but let's see. Okay, this is the end result. So this is the end of this tutorial. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Click that little bell icon so you can turn on my post notifications so you can be notified every Saturday that I upload a new video.